Thank you for checking out my YouTube video. We're in downtown Detroit right now at the Riverwalk. You can see there's Canada over there. That's the Renaissance Center right there. So we'll take a little bit of a walk. If you want to see what the Riverwalk is in downtown Detroit, looks like at night, stay tuned. We'll do a nice little video. But you can see, like if you're not familiar with Detroit, you can see how close we are to Canada. It's just right over there. There's actually a bridge and a tunnel that go over there. The tunnel is not too far from here, right on the other side of this building. And then the bridge is a couple miles the other way. We might be able to see it towards the end of the video. If this boat wasn't here, we'd be able to see the bridge. Actually, you can see it kind of like back there. But that connects over to Canada, and you can check all that out. But we'll keep going. You can see not a lot of people out, and they got these cameras right here too. It's very safe out here. There's a festival going on in there during the day, so normally they don't have these gates up. They got something going on, because normally these lights right here aren't like this. That's like showing something. But it's very, very peaceful. Like, I'll take a second just to show you. That's Windsor, Canada over there. That would be crazy if something came up out of the water. I don't know what I'd do. But on the top of that building right there is the Highlands. That's a nice restaurant up there. When I point at that lamp up there, it kind of makes the video look really weird, you could say. There's a boat right there. But it's a nice night, getting towards the end of the summer. So a lot of people out, you know, just making the best of the warm weather. You know, if you know Detroit, it gets really cold during the winter time. So there you go. So you can see the bridge better. You can see my shadow right there. Say hi to me in the comments. But yeah, you can see the bridge back there. It looks good. Couple people on there. That's not that bad of a boat. But see, you know, if you live by the city of Detroit and you got a boat, you can bring it out on the water. There's a couple places around here that you can do that. I think that's pretty cool. They're like the only boat out there too. Anyways, we'll keep on walking. But yeah, they got a Marriott in that building, and then up in the very top is a nice restaurant. That radio is pretty loud. I can hear that radio too. Who knows, they may see this video. Hopefully they will. But yeah, that's Caesars Windsor. That's a casino over there. Like, the tunnel is actually like right around here. Like, if you could see where I'm pointing over there, that's where you get in the tunnel. And then it's actually, the tunnel is like right underneath here, and it takes you up right over there. So if you want, like if we were in a car right now, we could get over to Canada in like 15-20 minutes. That's how easy it is to get over there. You do have to go through customs, and you do have to have a passport or an enhanced driver's license. A lot of people in Michigan and Ohio and places that are by Canada, they have that. You can see, like, it's safe out here. I haven't seen anybody. A lot of people go to northern Michigan for the holiday. It's Labor Day weekend, by the way. I can still hear that. You can see another boat way down there. See if I can zoom in. You can kind of see it a little bit. But a lot of boats go through here. You know what I mean? It's really nice. big ships too. See, I don't know why they have these barricades. See a lot of people like that. Looked like they had this closed off for a second. Detroit police. So see, yeah, you can be out here. It's like 10 o'clock at night. I'm not in any way scared, you know what I mean? Detroit is definitely going uphill. You know, like right now, if I wanted to go to a part of Detroit that was bad, I could. But like if you're just out here on a summer night or any night, the chances of something happening to you are very, very slim compared to other parts of the United States. And like you see all the police cars over there. You got customs over there. I mean, you got a lot of security cameras over here. So, like I said, the chances of something happening are very slim. And plus they want this safe too, because a lot of people come out here and enjoy it, you know? But yeah, during the summer, during the day, there'd be a lot of people over here. I don't remember seeing that open for a little bit. I think they just opened that up. But a lot of people are doing a lot of renovations. We'll keep going. Get some boat over there. You see people just hanging out. We'll go a little bit further. You can ride that elevator all the way from the bottom to the top and you can get a nice view of Canada. Or from downtown, depending on where you get on the elevator. Yeah, I'm hoping you guys like this. This is Riverwalk at night. Sometimes there's more people, sometimes there's less people. We'll keep on going. We'll go to the top of these steps up here. Let me know what you think though in the comments below of the Riverwalk. You see a couple boats out there. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the night. Yeah, the Marriott Hotel is up there. And you got a couple restaurants. You got the one Highlands on the top. You got a couple other restaurants. What was that? Oh, that's a scooter. The scooter was making a sound. You can rent those scooters too. But anyways, yeah, a couple restaurants. But that's the tallest building in Michigan and in Detroit, obviously. So this has been here a while, but they did a lot to, you know, I remember being a younger kid seeing all this and it didn't look anything like this. I mean, this city has done a lot to renovate it. Renovate a lot of different things. Feels like I could go on and on and on, because the city, the more I think about it, has done a lot of work to renovate this place. And the renovations continue, you know, even with the Hudson building going up and the new bridge, the Gordie Howe Bridge going up, another bridge going towards Canada. So that's gonna be a big thing. And that's it, guys. So you see the police, more police over there, so very safe. Beautiful. It's beautiful. So let me know what you think in the comments below of the Riverwalk. And thank you for checking out my YouTube video.